Ready? Start. The delivery of healthcare has historically been premised on the notion that when treatment of patients is concerned, price should not be a hindrance. Stop. However, access to life saving medication remains inadequate in reality. Stop. According to the World Health Organization, over a third of the global populace lacks access to essential medications. More than half of this group resides in impoverished regions of the developing world, such as Africa and Asia. Stop. Numerous factors determine the accessibility of drugs in developing nations, with the cost being a critical one. Stop. One approach to mitigate the rising cost of healthcare is to employ generic drugs. Stop. Generic medications present a significant opportunity to lower healthcare expenditures, since they can be substantially less costly than branded pharmaceuticals. Stop. The primary objective of every government's health agenda should be to provide timely access to affordable, safe, and effective products. Stop. Despite the fact that most developing nations mandate the use of generic medications in their national health policy statements, majority of healthcare practitioners and customers remain dubious about their effectiveness, quality, and safety. Stop. The skepticism is further compounded by the absence of initiatives by government and non-government organizations in developing countries to promote the benefits of generic drugs to consumers. Stop. Developing new medicines is a time-taking and costly process. Stop. Prior to receiving marketing authorization, pharmaceutical companies must subject developed molecules or medicines to animal and human testing to ascertain their safety and efficacy in treating the targeted condition. Stop. Moreover, the development process is fraught with the risk, as medicines may fail to pass requisite tests, leading to substantial financial losses for the company. Stop. Consequently, those medicines that qualify the tests and make it to the market must recoup the costs of those that did not, leading to a high price point. Stop. In light of the high cost associated with drug development, the profit driven nature of pharmaceutical companies, and the need to incentivize further research and development, a company that develops a new medicine is granted a period of exclusivity during which only it may produce and market the medicine. Stop. This period of exclusivity, commonly known as patent period, may be monetized by selling the molecule to other companies for a royalty fee. In this period of market exclusivity, Companies typically sell the medicine at a premium. Full stop.